Jeff from Cyprus has weepy worries.
Well, he's talking about these in his shower. These are the weeps he's worried about. Down here at the bottom, he says, my 3-piece cultured shower has small weep holes cut into the left and right sides of the shower by the door. It seems like these holes in the bottom, he says, of the shower would allow moisture to come up. Some people say that he should cover them. Other people say he shouldn't cover them. So, Tom, he wants you to break the tie.
Cover them. No, there's not supposed to be holes like that. I don't know who could call them a weep hole like in brick.
Yeah.
I mean, those are weep holes, but to have a hole in a shower so water can get behind that rock or down behind the pan, I think would cause a lot of problems. It doesn't look right to me. I've never seen that in my entire career.
In your entire career?
Entire career, and I'm old now.
So his weeping worries are worthy then?
Yeah, I think his weeping worries are worthy of caulking.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So what you do, get some silicone caulk or something, put it in there?
Whatever it takes. The water's not supposed to go behind there. I've never seen that.
Don't do that. All right. But what we do want you to do is send us more questions. We can help you. Send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Look over here. We got some of our videos playing, and you can also subscribe to our channel right here.